Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I wanted to do a little unboxing today of some wood I just ordered. Normally I get my wood from these knife supply stores, but I decided I would do a search and just for exotic hardwoods, and I basically found the same thing at a fraction of the cost, so I'm pretty excited. I ordered two things. I ordered this big piece of African blackwood. It's 1.5 square by 16 inches. This was $32. Okay, so here's one of the ones I normally order. So you can see I'll get a scale, a set of scales all the way down, if you see that, and at least 3 handles out of this. Okay, for this, I pay $14.50 just for that. So, you know, you can see easily I'm getting almost twice as much out of this. So that was amazing. And then I got this combo pack of 9 pieces of wood. And these are all 1.5 square by 12. Piece of Potic. Okay, again, this is $7.50 when I buy it in this form. Okay, but this whole thing was $50, so I'm getting at least 2 of these plus some extra. And you can see it's the same quality. And again, I'll still get scales out of this, so really happy. It came with a piece of Purple Heart. I've used this before. Great wood. Bloodwood. Again, another red color. It's really heavy, hard. This one's Wenji. I've never used this before. The pores look a little big, so I'm not too sure on this one. Canary wood. I've seen this on knife handles before. It's kind of yellowish, looks pretty cool. Lace wood. Now this one is super light. So I'm thinking this one isn't going to be that good for a knife handle, but we'll see. It does have some kind of iridescence to it, so it does look pretty cool. Osage orange. I'm not sure how to say this. It's a rough looking piece on the outside, but yeah, I know people use this for knife handles all the time. I personally never used it, but super happy. Zebra wood. Again, these are $7.50 a block in this form. And then this is Chechen, which looks beautiful. I'm really excited about this one. You can see, hopefully you see this on the camera, there's some light areas, some swirls in it. So a piece of Chechen, these are $10 in this format. And I basically at least got 2 of these plus scales. So this combo pack was $50. I easily got this back just in 4 pieces. So I'm super excited and can't wait to make some handles out of this. And then this one I bought separately, $32. And I think I probably, you know, at least got double what I paid in it that I would normally pay for these. Not a sponsor, but the company was Bell Forest. So maybe go check them out if you're looking for knife handles, and I'll let you know how these go. Almost threw it off the table. Thanks, folks.